14. Birds come, birds go. Hey, there are 25 birds here. Look up, some new birds are coming. Let us count them using our cards. 110 card for this whole group and 6 1 cards for this group of birds. So this card shows 16 birds. But where did they all come from? This could be a good chance to initiate a discussion about migrating birds coming from far off places, also encourage and help children to recognize patterns in which different birds fly. Soon 25 more birds flew in. Let us add it to see how many birds in all there are now. For 16 plus 25, we write 10, 1, 6, 1, 110, 6, 1 plus 210, 5, 1 is 41. Is 5, 1, 1, 2, 41. Putting all the ones together, we get 11 ones. Of those, 10 ones make 110, and we are left with 1, 1. Now putting together all the tens, we get 4 tens, 41. So the total number of birds is 41. In chapter 8, children would have met token cards. The same token card should be used before children to return sums. How many cranes and swans? There are 31 cranes and 39 swans. Let us find out how many swans or cranes there are in all. In the same way, we will add the numbers of swan and cranes. 9, 1, 10, 0, 1, 3, 3, 6 plus 170. Also try adding without writing. The total numbers of swans and cranes is 70. One morning, Suraj saw that out of 70 birds, only 26 birds were left. The rest had gone away. How many birds have gone away? 70 minus 26. This is 4 and 4. 44 birds have gone away. Suraj, don't be sad. Let us hope they come back next year. Practice time. Rahul scored 23 runs in a cricket match and Dhoni scored 69. How many runs did they make in all? They made dash runs in all. "92. Dima sold 48 shawls in a fair. Next day he sold 17 more shawls. How many shawls in all did he sell? 48, 17, 5, 65. More. Dima sold 65 shawls in all. Comment this. Bunnu rabbit can eat 29 carrots in 1 week. Munnu rabbit can eat 42 carrots in 1 week. Who eats more in a week and by how much? 29, 42, 42 minus 29 13. So Munnu eats 13 more carrots. Comment this. Neha is 29 years old. Her mother is 58 years old. How many years older is Neha's mother? 58, 29, 29. When this is minus, mother is 29 years older than Neha. Find the answer. 24 plus 17, 41, 32 minus 27, 5, 68 plus 13, 55, 19 plus 39, 58, 54 plus 43, 97, 73 minus 59, 14, 80 minus 67, 13, 43 minus 27, 16, 39 minus 25, 14, 48 minus 38, 10, 90, 48 plus 38, 86, 94 minus 87, 7, 76 minus 28, 48. More such examples may be set for practice. Catch the right bus. Solve to get the bus numbers on each card, match the card with the bus numbers and see who will sit in which bus. Card number 27 plus 22, 49. Card number 48 plus 19, 67. Card numbers 88 minus 21, 67. Card numbers 47 plus 28, 75. Card numbers 93 minus 18, 75. Card numbers 37 plus 12, 49. Card numbers 38 plus 37, 75. Card numbers 25 plus 24, 49. Card numbers 99 minus 32, 67. Now you write your own numbers, make two different cards for each bus. Which minus which equal to 49, which plus which equal to 75. (50 minus 1, 49). 70 plus 5, 75. 60 plus 7, 67. 70 plus minus 3, 67. 70 plus 5, 75. 40 plus 9, 49. More such exercise can be done to make children see how any number can be made using different combinations of numbers by adding and subtraction. Cross me out. Come, today we will play Cross Me Out with our teacher. Think of some numbers between 10 to 50. Write them in the box. Do not repeat a number. Cross out the number you get by adding 27 and 12. 27 plus 10 equal to 37 and plus 2 is 39. Parents can help children in playing this game. Call out simple addition. Sounds like 18 plus 4. Gradually proceed to more challenging additions. Also give children turns to speak out numbers while parents do the crossing out. Similar games can be used for subtraction as well. Come on, cross out 39. Whoever crosses out all the numbers first will be the winner. Now you can finish this game for Rajia. Ask your teacher or friend to speak out two numbers to add. Chakachak Doli. Chakachak in Hindi means clean and shiny. Chakachak Doli is the name of a group of children who work to clean their park. Shreya collects the money and writes it in her diary. Help Shreya to find how much money is left at the end of the month. Diary. October 3 collected rupees 60. October 7 bought a broom for rupees 18. October 12 bought a phenyl bottle for 25. October 25 collected rupees 37 from the cards we made. Total money collected. $60 plus 27. Total money spent 18 for broom and 25 for phenyl. Money left at the end of October 87. $43. Subtraction 44. So 44. Comment this. Children of Chakachaktoli counted the number of trees in the park. Number of trees 90. This tree is 75, this tree is 82, this tree is 68, and this tree is 94. These trees were more than these trees. How many more? Comment this. Draw the tree which is least in number. Draw this. Draw the tree which is most in number. Draw this. Children planted some more these trees to make 100. How many more did they plant? Comment this.